Okay, we're focused, and we're going to try something different. But the same, but different. And it's going to be another swipe. Don't be disappointed. I want to make some really different kind of zigzags. And I think I'm going to go from the center also. And I have a whole bunch of extra paint I mixed up that I need to use. And I don't consider that other yellow swipe I did to be my best work, and I would like another shot at it. I did mention we were going to try and go from the middle. I don't know what that is, but it doesn't look like it belongs. Bye-bye, thing that does not belong. Which of those things is not like the other? I'm kind of hoping that there's enough variation between the oranges and the yellows. Yeah, that's just wrong. So that I can get some kind of contrast. But since I don't know, I don't promise. Oh look, almost no contrast at all. There's a way to start for sure. But I'm thinking, what am I thinking? I'm thinking pink would be awesome there. That's what I'm thinking. And this is a color shift yellow I never use, and I loved the way it looked the other day. So I'm going to use it again. And the other thing I'm thinking is that black is the best color to swipe with unless you're using white. And maybe both would be the solution to my problem. And I haven't started to use my little spatula tool, but I'll show you that I'll show that to you in a second. And that's really what I want to use. And that, actually, you know, I'm thinking that right there. Fill in some gaps. Doesn't matter what they look like right now. They're getting swiped. So I'm not really that worried about gaps, except for it's always better without them, because that way you're pretty much assured. It looks like I had more than my fair share of gaps this time. Okay, I'm not going to make any comment about what that looks like to me yet, because we're not done. I like the red, even though it's kind of obnoxious in my mind, because I know it turns into magenta and pink. It's mostly magenta. It's not a blue, really a blue-based red. What else do I have here? Oh look, the yellow I intended on using all along. Oh, strange. I'm not very happy with any of that so far, but I guess I'll get over it. That pink looks very purple right now. It looks like it mostly disappeared. So I'm changing up. Both sides do not look anything the same as they did. I'm not going to worry about anything right now. I'm a magician. If something really sucks, I can find a way to fix it. And hopefully this is that, or you won't be seeing it. We won't worry about that. I don't want anything that's construed to be green in there. And I really do want some black to be swiped in from both ends. I got a lot of paint going on. And I got that missing bit of orange in there. What else do I want in there? I just put gold in, and gold always disappears. Maybe some of this really odd color shift pink, which I'm not overly attracted to until I see it in place, and then I love it, and then I forget about it. And alright, so if I put black down the center, I'm going to assume that I can then use that to swipe out to the edges, and that might be cool. Maybe I want to swipe in from the ends, but if I'm going to do anything like that, I better make sure some of my gaps are gone. And my paint is moved over to the edges, because sometimes, quite often in fact, the cotton t-shirt hem swipe cloths do not come all the way to the edges. Sorry, I'm stuttering. Doesn't matter. Okay, I want to think that that's interesting. I also want to think that I should put on my glasses because I'm missing big holes. And I didn't set a timer, so I have less time than I thought. Okay, I like that better now. I originally thought I wanted to go up and down in the middle. Okay, so much for yellow. I destroyed that theory again. I'm going to do what I said I was going to do. I think I may have an awful lot of paint. And I'm going to do that too, because I want to see what it does. Okay, here goes nothing. Maybe we'll start on this side first. Maybe we'll start with the swipe cloth I already have folded. This is my cotton rag. It's wet, it's been wrung out. We are going a whole different way than usual. Right now, we're dipping it in, letting it set, making sure it's flat, and pulling it out. Moving it over a little even. And letting it fall down, hopefully, over the end. Tap, tap, tap. That's pretty. I'm not going to worry about that right this second. I'm going to hope it stays nice and wet for long enough for me to use it again to tap the color off on the sides. Ooh, that's pretty. Alright, I didn't fold the swipe cloth, but I'm going to do it right now and move my fingers in. I'm going to dip that in center again, like I said I did on the last one. This time I'm going to give it a bit of a push. That is really more deep than I thought I was going. I want to lift it up and start again. Oh no! I have a tremendous amount of color going there. Quick! Quick, quick! There we go. I don't feel so bad anymore. At least it has a place to go. I know the end is covered, that's for sure. I have enough paint on this to do everything and anything. I want something to lift that up with. And put it down again. Oh, I'm going to have a gorgeous skin from that freezer paper. Now I get to figure out what I'm going to do with this. Basically my problem was, I don't know if it'll remain a problem or not, but my problem was that I let that second swipe cloth get too deep into the black swipe color, and it pulled so much of the rest of the paint along that it made a completely different pattern, which I'm sure someone can learn from. Okay, I don't mind it, it's just different. And I think maybe we should go ahead and torch to see what's going to happen. Pretty cells. And for me, it's skewer time. I really do like purple and pink and yellow together. Maybe more at this moment than I imagined I would. And I have skewers. I'm going to take some of that black and go in that direction. And then I'm going to see if I can bring some more back down here. I can always use my squeeze bottle colors and go right into this section if I want more black in there. What I can also do right now, I'm going to tip that because I like the larger cells on this end better. Actually, I'm going to tip it right on with the rest of that. Okay, how far do I want to go? That is the question. I like those white cells there. I don't really want to destroy them, but they look kind of like they don't belong. So maybe just a few. Look for some others. can't tip it that way. I need them immediately, and if I do, I have an alternative, and that is this. I really kind of want more black on this end, but see if I can pull some of that black down. Yep, I'm liking how that looks. Let the skewer tip go in the black. If I can't pull it down and I want black, I'll just add black. But I'm liking the stripe pattern I'm creating. I'm not unhappy anymore. Kind of got what I wanted. It's not what I thought it was going to be. That's okay. My instincts are good. Usually. Everybody's got moments. I am no exception to that rule. Can't let your moments of indecision or seeming failure dictate your confidence, because everything is a learning experience. You know, I'm pretty happy with that. I don't want that to go away. I want some of it right there. I love it when that works. It makes me so happy. Okay, that is pretty wild. And I have some paint over here on my paper. And I want some of it over here. I say paper, but it's actually the inside of a large dog food bag. And I got plenty of that runoff to do what I want. The only thing I have to be careful of is not crossing the paint over the canvas, because if I do that, I may wind up with splooges where I don't want them. As much as I embrace my splooges, I just as soon control them too. Okay, I don't know how long that was. I know there's quite a mess to my right. I like it when people come up close and show you how pretty the cells are. I don't know if I'm doing a good job of that or not, but there's a lot of nice cells in there. And I'm pretty sure I learned a few things. I'm not sure what they were at the moment, but I'll figure it out pretty quick. Okay, that's it. Goodbye for now.